Hi there, welcome to 110 RC Scale Tales. We're back in the garage and it's something different for the channel. As you can see behind me, it's a model kit. It's an AIRFIX model kit. It's a quick build and it's a Jeep Gladiator Overland. What we're going to do is we're going to check out what you get, what's inside. We're going to build the Jeep and then we'll have a little chat about what we think about it at the end. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. Please give me a thumbs up. And please comment, I will reply. Let's waste no more time. Let's check out the Jeep. Quick build Jeep Gladiator Overland. No glue, no paint, just build. Now, first impressions, I'm liking the packaging. Nice looking model. You can see the exploded picture of the exploded model, so all the parts there. It's very similar on the tab ends and on the back. Again, the exploded view of all the parts and actual dimensions of the actual model inside. So when it's built, it's going to be 213 millimeters long, almost 21 and a half centimeters, and 73 millimeters tall, almost 7.5 centimeters. So it's relatively big for what you're getting. Let's have a look inside. So inside is your bag of parts, some decals, and the instructions. We'll put the box to one side. There we are. So the instructions, very, very clear. It's one sheet, printed on both sides, with 14 stages plus the decals to go on to the end. So 14 build stages and 18 decals to put onto the vehicle. These are parts. Now, AIRFIX Quickbuild came out about nearly 10 years ago, and I think the concept was to encourage young kids to get into the hobby of building scale models. Now you can see, very similar to like Lego type toys and similar building toys. So it all snaps together. So that's your main vehicle, interior glass, and your decals. So I think what we'll do next is let's build this Jeep Gladiator Overland. There you go, there's the finished model. I have to say, not bad at all. Very good quality. Pretty straightforward instructions, pretty easy to follow. What I have to learn is not read on ahead and start joining parts ahead of each section. So I went on ahead and got to put these door mirrors on. But other than that, pretty straightforward build. Came together pretty easily. Downside is the decals. Decals are very, very fiddly, as you could see in the build video, and very, very sticky. So basically you had one shot, and if you stuck them, they were very reluctant to come off again. So that's the AIRFIX Quickbuild Jeep Gladiator Overland. What do you think? Like the video? Give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please comment. Let me know what you think of the build video. And we'll catch you on the next 110 RC scale tail videos. Keep on building. Cheers now.